Assalamu alaikum, elders, brothers and sisters. This is Muhammad Soeb live here in Rehanli, HATAY, for giving your aid to the people and the victims of earthquake which has just happened, and really it is devastating. The people are really sad. Imagine yourself not having brushes, hands wash and the hair wash for around 20 days. It is not possible. If we don't have a brush for a day, we don't feel comfortable. But these are the people who are not having the hygiene stuff since 20 days. So we at Al-Imdad Charitable Trust AICT, today we have arranged hygiene kits for them, and we will be giving the families or the victims' families of earthquake these hygiene kits. So I'm going to show you what actually has the hygiene kit includes. So this is something that's the soap. Okay, saboon, you have the toothpaste, you have the brushes, and you have the wet wipes, and you have wet wipes for the kids, you have tissues, you have for the body wash, you have the hand wash liquid, you have the utensils wash liquid, and you also have this, which is something like a glycerine cleaning for hands, and the wet wipes you have for the for the utensils wash. So these are the actually basic things that they really didn't have since a lot of time. When we went to the distributions yesterday to give them your food parcels, they asked us just for these items. They said we need these kind of items, Brother Suhaib, because we haven't had the hygiene projects with us. So Jazakallah khair for your donations that we are doing right now, and we want more and more donors to join hands with us. Please donate us on AICTglobal.org so that we can do such kind of projects more and more here in Turkey. Jazakallah khair, thank you so much. So these are the 3 trucks that is ready. So one of the truck here, which is ready, the other truck is ready here with the hygiene kits, and we have the 3rd truck which is parked at the back side. I'll just show you. So that's the 3rd truck which is packed with the hygiene kits as well. So alhamdulillah, so we have 3 trucks ready with the hygiene kits, which we will be distributing very soon inshallah today to the people who are in need for these hygiene kits. Jazakallah khair, thank you so much. Jazakallah.